What is up, you guys? In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I was able to grow my Amazon business to over $1 million this year selling on Amazon. And I want to guide you and help you guys out if you're interested in selling on Amazon. Amazon is one of the best business models that you could actually get into to grow a long-term business and to be your own boss. What I like about Amazon the most is that I'm able to scale my business and not have any inventory in my house because all my products are always shipped to Amazon's warehouse. Customer buys my product, Amazon does all the hard labor for me. They pack it, they ship it to the customer, and I don't have to do any of that labor. All I have to do is find the right products to start selling, make sure that it's not a competitive product. Of course, there are a lot of steps and a lot of things you need to learn in order to start selling on Amazon. But once you do the whole process and you get it flowing, I honestly work like 2 hours a day at most on my Amazon business. I just pretty much monitor it, make sure it's always like doing well. And yeah, Amazon pretty much does the rest for me when it comes to that aspect. And on average, sometimes I'm making $2,000 profit per day, but of course it never started off like this. When I took the first step when it came to Amazon, you first need to make an Amazon account. So if you want to make a seller account for Amazon, all you have to do is sell.amazon.com. All you have to do is go to that website and you're able to register on that website and make a free Amazon Seller Central account. Once you're there, then what you really need to do is find the right product to start selling on Amazon. And this gets a little bit tricky and more detailed because there's so many things that you need to learn. But with my YouTube channel, I teach everybody how to do it there's no reason why you need to pay for something like a course or anything like that when I have all the knowledge for you here on my YouTube channel. It's going to help you guys out and guide you with selling on Amazon or even making money online. You don't even have to really focus on full-time selling on Amazon. There's other side hustles that you can actually do that actually work to make money online. And what I like to provide is real ways of making money online. I feel like there's so much YouTubers that are saying, make money like this doing AI. Do this to make thousands of dollars with AI. But none of them actually make money with AI or make money online. Most of these people on YouTube are actually making money off YouTube rather than making their own business. They're using like their audience and this is how you can make thousands of dollars. This is how you can do this. But none of them actually do it. What's the point of guiding people and telling people making money online when you don't even do it yourself? For example, this person right here, he's like the #1 person selling when you sell on Amazon, learn how to sell on Amazon. This is the #1 person right here. And I can tell you for a fact that this person does not sell full-time on Amazon. He just gives you broad and general information on the videos. And maybe he did sell on Amazon at one point in time and he had a failing business and he quit because nobody ever shows you the numbers. Nobody shows you the income. Nobody shows you actual facts of them selling on Amazon or them making money online. That's why I like to provide value information on this channel. Let's go on the computer and I'm going to show you guys exactly what you need to do in order to start selling on Amazon and all the whole process. So if you want to start selling on Amazon, the first step you need to do is to go to sell.amazon.com. And this is how you can actually make a free account to start selling on Amazon. You don't need to pay any money. You're just going to go click here to pricing. Click pricing here. You're going to scroll down and sign up as an individual. It's a free account. You don't need to pay any money. All you have to do is click sign up as an individual and you're already started the whole process of learning to sell on Amazon. After you sign up as an individual, what you're going to want to do to grow a long-term brand and to make money selling on Amazon is by making your own brand on Amazon. This is what I personally do. It's called private label. And private label is when I find a manufacturer from China or a supplier and I make my brand from that manufacturer. Pretty much, let's say if they're selling lotion, I customize the product, make it my own logo on the bottle, make it everything I need, get some samples from the manufacturer, make sure it's good quality, then I make the brand and the manufacturer does it all for me. Big brands like this do it all the time. Nike, it comes from China. Like all these big brands, they do the same exact thing. They do private label. They get it from the manufacturer from China and they send it to the US. You're doing the same exact thing when you're making an Amazon brand. Now what's cool about this is that you're not just selling on Amazon, you can expand to different places. And with selling on Amazon, you're able to expand to different countries as well. You're able to expand to the UK, Canada, France, Dubai. There's so many opportunities when selling on Amazon that you can expand to different countries. You're not limited to the US. I teach you guys how to do the whole process for free on my channel, and let's show you guys how to do some product research and find some manufacturers that you might be interested when it comes to selling on Amazon. So to sell on Amazon, I highly recommend you to use a plugin and a tool called Helium-10. This tool is going to allow you to make sure what products start selling on Amazon, how much profit you're going to be making, and gives you a lot of data and insight of how much people are making on Amazon and how you can do the same exact thing. So in front of me here, I have Helium-10's platform, and if you want Helium-10 by any chance later on in this video, I have a coupon code for you down below. But this is what you're going to need to do some Amazon product research to find the product that you want to start selling. It needs to be in a low competitive field that has good amount of search volume. There's so much data and information with product research. I have a full video of that on my YouTube channel as well. But this is what you need to learn in order to find what products you want to sell, because you can't just sell anything that you're passionate about or you have a hobby of. It's not going to work out like that. I don't recommend that. Instead, I recommend finding a product that has a good profit margin, that you're going to be making money from, that you're going to be growing a long-term business from, and that's not so competitive on Amazon, that has a high profit margin, that's going to be doing good on Amazon. That's not that hard. So with Helium-10, you're able to find all these tools, product research. You're able to use it with Black Box here. I'm able to find out what keywords I'm currently tracked on for all my products, and 𝗁𝘂𝗶𝗹 is a very big one that I use. With this tool, you're able to grow a long-term business. I highly recommend you to use this. First thing you're going to do when you want to start selling on Amazon, you want to make the Amazon account. Then you want to learn more about Amazon product research. I have a full video. I'll have it in the link down below for you guys of Amazon product research. I can't do it in this video because it's a bit long. It takes a long process to learn the right product to start selling. But you're going to want to do Amazon product research to find the right products to start selling on Amazon. And then after that, you want to go to Alibaba here. And with Alibaba, you're going to be able to find manufacturers all over from China that are going to give you the best prices. So a good example I like to use on all my videos is eyelash extension glue, because it does very well on Amazon. It sells for around $25 and you can get the product for around $3. So eyelash extension glue is a good one to do. What I would do here is I would make an account. You're gonna go to max price here. I'm gonna put $1 to $3 because I'm not trying to pay anything higher than that. Let's press OK. And then what you're gonna do from here is you're gonna contact a lot of these suppliers. You click live chat here. Usually with Chinese suppliers, you're usually in the opposite time zone. So you need to make sure you're contacting them at nighttime, because that's when they're like contacting them 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock at nighttime. You're most likely going to get live customer service, and they're most likely going to help you out even better with products that you're trying to start selling on Amazon and grow a long-term business. I recommend you to use Alibaba for your supplier and get suppliers that have been on Alibaba for more than 5 years. That's from my experience. I see the best of. Contact these suppliers, find the right products that you want to start selling. Amazon is a lot to learn in the beginning because there's so much little steps that you need to learn. This is just very general information. This can make you a long-term business. It's how I was able to make $1 million in sales this year and last year as well. And you can do the exact same thing. When I first started my business, so I teach all my students that you want to focus on the first product and then scale to the second and third and fourth. With the first product, you want to aim for $250 to $300 profit for that product. After you make that much money on that one product, that you're going to be generating about $9,000 to $10,000 profit off that one product a month, you scale to the next one, you grow from there. That's exactly what I did. I didn't have that much money when I first started. I literally had a very small amount. I saved up, put the initiative of growing a long-term business, and now I have a big brand that's making me money constantly, and I barely have to put any work into it. If you want to learn more about Amazon, just hit that subscribe button down below. I have a bunch of free content to teach you guys how to grow your Amazon business and how to get started. There's nothing needed for this, and I also have a free course that I made for you guys. Also have it in the link down below for you. This free course is going to guide you and show you exactly what you need to do on Amazon. It's going to help you set up your Amazon Seller Central account, the Amazon product research, how to set up your first shipment, how to go through suppliers, everything like that. I'll have a free course for you guys down below. It has over like 10 hours of free content to show you and help you guys out with the whole process, and there's nothing needed for it. You can literally sign up, start learning in like 3 minutes from now. It's really easy. There's nothing needed. Just sign up with your email, password, sign up, and you start watching the videos. That's about it, guys. If you have any questions about anything, leave them in the comments down below. I'll try to help you guys out as much as I can. And yeah, that's about it. See you guys on the next one. Peace.